Everybody said everything that could be said and so beautifully and so lucidly. Saurabh ji, I have a grudge कि मैं आपके साथ नहीं शूट कर पाई, तो जो कुछ मेरे सीखने का हिस्सा था वो हो नहीं पाया, तो अगली फिल्म में शायद you'll give me an opportunity. जहाँ तक मेरा सवाल है, when I was approached for this film, the character was something that I immediately connected to. You know, head of a news agency who's constantly looking out for something that makes sense to her. She's aggressive, she's out there, and especially when it comes to Kashmir. I'll tell you honestly, Kashmir के बारे में हम जब बात करते हैं, as he rightly said, you know, it's got this dark image. But when you actually go there, you see the beauty and the simplicity in the people there. बहुत simple लोग हैं. और जब मैंने वहाँ के normal लोगों से बात करी, जो रास्ते पर रिक्शा ड्राइवर्स थे या you know, who would have little grocery shops, उनकी बात सुनकर मुझे इस बात का एहसास हुआ कि हम यहाँ बैठकर बड़ी-बड़ी strategies बनाते हैं, लेकिन हम उनकी छोटी-छोटी problems देख नहीं पाते. And honestly, this film is out to show you the little things that actually make so much of a difference. और जहाँ तक dark humor का सवाल है, you know, this is one of my favorite films. Why? Because I am a complete worshipper of dark humor. और जब आप humor को use करते हैं as your ammunition, I think you make the point straight to the heart. बहुत serious चीज़ को जब आप मजाकिया तौर से बोलते हैं, उसका जो hit होता है वो कुछ और होता है. It's absolutely amazing. You would have known that in your personal lives and relationships कि जब कोई serious बात बोलनी हो, मजाक में ताड़ करके तो और जो लगती है ना, उसका बहुत impact होता है. So I'm really hoping that after seeing this film, you're going to actually see what really is the situation. And we are not presenting some sad side of the story. We're just showing you people who go through their life in that place and how they live their life and how difficult it is, and yet how they manage to smile and live their lives. So please watch this movie. Give us your support. और सच बात ये है कि हम अपने घरों में सिर्फ अपने संसार, अपनी दुनिया को देखते हैं और अपनी problems को बड़ा समझते हैं. But if you actually start seeing people in that place, you do realize that they know how to live every minute of their life. Thank you very much.